Think that sweatshops are only a problem in other countries? Think again. Because in New York in 1911, many Jewish immigrants lost their lives in an industrial disaster that sparked a workplace revolution. By the 1900s, approximately 1 million Jewish people have come to America, fleeing racial persecution in Eastern Europe. Many arrive in New York City in search of a better life. Women and young girls find work in sweatshops, including a Manhattan factory that makes fashionable blouses known as shirtwaists. Working hours are long and conditions are dangerous. Teens are given the most menial tasks and paid just $1.50 a week. In November 1910, the plight of immigrant workers is exposed when a factory fire in New Jersey takes the lives of 26 people. Despite calls from employees at the Triangle Shirtwaist factory to improve safety conditions, their bosses, Russian immigrants Max Blank and Isaac Harris, the Shirtwaist Kings, refuse to meet their demands. With few workplace laws to force their hand, they choose profits over people. In the factory, littered with cotton scraps and flammable chemicals, workers are not allowed to sing, talk, or smoke, but they sometimes do. On March 25, 1911, a tossed cigarette ignites a container of fabric waste. Within minutes, much of the building is engulfed in flames. Blank and Harris escape onto the roof and jump to another building. But most workers aren't so lucky. Pounding on an exit door that's permanently locked, there's no way out for some of the 800 employees. 123 women and 23 men perish. The Jewish community is devastated. Later, indicted for manslaughter, Blank and Harris are acquitted on a technicality and rake in a $60,000 insurance payout. Grieving families receive just $75 in compensation each. The tragedy shocks America and prompts workers' unions to push for change. 36 new workplace health and safety laws are subsequently passed in New York State. What role can unions and workers play in addressing unsafe working conditions today?